I just made my first withdrawal from this particular challenge account from HyroTrader, and as you can see right here, the withdrawal has been approved and the deposit has been made to my Bybit account already. So why I actually made this withdrawal? Okay, I wanted to get in trouble. I was at the verge of losing this particular account, and that is because of this email that I received. Right, so you can see this is the day I received this email, and I think I got out of this like 20 minutes to the time because I was given 1 hour. And what was the issue? They said what it is. They said that urgent breach detected, stop loss required, and all of that. So what I did was when I entered this trade, the launch coin token, my stop loss for the launch coin token was more than $3,000. Remember, I bought a 100K account and I'm not supposed to risk more than 3% of that account as stop loss. I can use more than $3,000 to enter a trade, but my stop loss shouldn't be more than 3,000. It shouldn't even be up to 3,000, 3% of that capital. So this was slightly above $3,000 with 48 cents, and that was why I got this. So when this happens, when HyroTrader detects this, they will give you 1 hour to go and adjust it. You don't need to go cancel the trade. You don't need to go close the trade. You don't need to cancel the stop loss. You just go ahead and edit that, right? You just go ahead and edit the stop loss. I've mentioned this in my previous video when we're talking about the rules and regulation and all of that. So with this, I was just saying no. Instead of me to lose everything I've made in this account, let me just request for withdrawal. And guys, I've gotten the withdrawal. So we go again. And from next month, I want to see if I can do up to 10K or 20K on this particular account without losing it. So for those of you who have passed your challenge and you've been funded, once you make profit, this is the total amount that I made. And if I scroll down right here, you can see all the trades that I took. I didn't take that much trade. I told you guys that I was very conservative with this particular account. I'm going to be taking trades on this account once in a while, and that is exactly what I did. Once I see trades of 10, 20%, I'm closing, I'm taking my profit. Well, I just immediately move my stop loss to above, slightly above entry to secure my capital. So that was what I did, and that was how I got here. So if you make profit on your account, once you log into your HyroTrader account and you click on show details on your challenge, or your trading or funded account, you see those details there, how much you made. And by the top right here, you'll see the option to request for withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal you can request for is once you made up to $100 right here, you can request for withdrawals, right? So for as long as you make $100 and above, you can request for withdrawals. You just need to go ahead and click on the request withdrawal option. And once you request for withdrawal, once you're on this page, you'll be asked to add your 𝗕𝗏𝗀𝗃20 USDT address. So you just go ahead and paste that address there, and then you just click on this option that says generate invoice, and you download that invoice. Then you can go ahead and send request, and this will take 12 to 24 hours to approve. Within this period, before you request for withdrawal, make sure that you don't have any trade running. Make sure that you don't have any trade running. Make sure that you don't trade within this period until the withdrawal is approved, because once the withdrawal is approved and you receive your withdrawal, your account will be reset back to 100K or whatever account size that you bought. And once your account is reset back, you can now start all over again and start trading. Once you make profit on that account again, you go ahead and make another request for withdrawal. That is how it goes. But please take note of this. When you are requesting for withdrawal, make sure that you don't have any trade running. Make sure that after you've requested for the withdrawal, you don't trade until your withdrawal is fully paid out. Once it's paid out, your account will be reset back to 100K to 200K to 10K, whatever account size you bought. Then you can now start all over again. I hope this video is helpful. If you want to join me by next month with another challenge, the link to get a 5% discount buying a HyroTrader funded account will be in the video description. So use that link and get 5% when you are buying your account size. So the link will be in the video description. You can equally join us on Telegram and learn more. We share a whole lot of free signals on Telegram every day. That is it for this video. Please let me know in the comment section if you have gotten to the level of requesting for withdrawals. Let me know. That is it for this video, guys. If you are new here, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.